All right. So determine the molal concentration of a solution of ethylene glycol in water if the solution's freezing point is negative 6.40 degrees Celsius. What mass of ethylene glycol would you dissolve in 500 grams of water to prepare such a solution? Okay, so this is a freezing point depression problem. Delta TF equals KFMI. Now I'm putting I in here, but ethylene glycol, this is a covalent compound, so I equals 1, okay? So I just disregard it, it's 1. And the molality then is what I'm trying to find, molal concentration, okay, that's what I'm trying to find. So molality is delta TF over KF. All right, delta TF is T solution minus T pure over KF. All right, of a solution of ethylene glycol in water, okay, so we're talking about water here. So we know that T pure is going to be 0 degrees Celsius. So really what I just have is T solution over KF. Okay, T solution is negative 6.40 degrees Celsius over the KF, which for water is negative 1.86 degrees Celsius per molal. Okay, the degrees Celsius cancel out, molal flips to the top, and I get 3.44 molal. Okay, so that's the first part of the problem. That's the colligative properties part of the problem. And the second one is just kind of review of concentration. So question mark grams, ethylene glycol, I'll just call that EG for short, is a given. Now, I can't use this 6.40 degrees Celsius, but I can use this 500 grams of water. Okay, and I'm actually going to call this 500 grams of water just to be a little more tidy here. Okay, and then I can use the concentration, okay, the molality that I just calculated, which is 3.44. Well, you know what, actually, before I do that, I'm not going to do it that way. I changed my mind. What I want to do is I know that this is moles of ethylene glycol over kilograms of water. Okay? So what I want to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my grams of water into kilograms of water so that I can use molality as a conversion factor. So that's 10 to the 3 grams in 1 kilogram. Okay, now I can put my kilograms water into moles of ethylene glycol. Okay, and there are 3.44 moles ethylene glycol in 1 kilogram water. Okay, and since I asked for a mass, I need to take my moles of ethylene glycol to grams ethylene glycol. I'm going to get this number off of the Lentech website, and that's 107 grams ethylene glycol. It's got 3 significant figures. Done.